Betsy had her flu shot today, but she's in a good mood. She just woke up from a nap. She's going to have some dinner. And how much do you weigh? 21 pounds.
And how tall is she?
How tall are you? I think you're like 29 inches. You're in the 86th percentile for height and weight now. I'm thinning out. Wait, what's the problem? And she's clapping. Good girl. We learned to clap. We learned to clap. Yay, Betsy!
Hooray for Betsy.
Kiss? You want to give a kiss?
What?
Kiss? Let's see a kiss. Ah! You're jumping on the mommy. Yay! Clap, clap. Say hi, everybody. Kiss.
Wave? Can you wave? Say hi, Mommy.
Can you wave?
Say hi, Sophie.
Hi, everybody. Kiss. No kiss? You get too excited.
She's looking for a nap. Lots of energy.
Mama?
Hey,
Whoa!
what's going on over there?
Kicking back.
So excited.
Kicking back on Daddy. Kiss. What about, are you ticklish? Are you ticklish?
She's ticklish.
I'm gonna tickle you.
What are you going to do about the tickle finger?
Are you gonna say Dada?
Probably never.
Dada. What's Dada?
How about Lulu?
How about Lulu? Clap, 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 clap.
Hooray for Betsy.
Hooray! That was like gospel.
Going crazy.
Hooray! Woo! Yay, Betsy! We love to clap.
You're biting the
Why are you eating the couch? Oh, for heaven's
so much energy
sake.
before.
What? What happened?
Ants in your pants.
Really? I'm so excited.
What's gotten into you? Oh no.
What did they put in that flu shot? Kiss. Kiss. Give me a kiss.
You give Mommy a kiss.
Can I have a kiss? You can eat your sweatshirt. Kiss, kiss. There's a kiss. Give me a kiss. Can you do it?
Yes, you can.
Where's Betsy? There she is. I want to see. Give me a kiss, please.
So squirmy.
There's a good kiss.
What do you think?
Good. Just sitting with Daddy on the couch. Clapping. Passing the time clapping.
Yay for Betsy.
Yay, Betsy. Mama's here.
Be
You
careful.
got me.
Careful.
You're a little too close.
Give Mommy a big kiss.
You're a little close. You want to say hi, Grammy? Hi, Grammy. Hi, Grammy. Okay, I have to turn it on because you're stepping on me. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Just want to play with the couch. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.